Come help me dream of a better place.
A better place? A better place I can take you. You know, this whole memory thing will be wiped out.
Small, where are they?
Who?
Jamau and Future. You must be joking, right?
Speak low, can we please...
Do you have any idea how difficult it is to bring them here, huh? Do you?
Can we please talk about
I don't take orders from you. I don't take orders from you.
I watched it, people.
Takushika panguwa yetinokumbira praise and worship. Itimbire a worshiping song. Takuwa a praising song. Kuti pane wiki litakupinda tipinde mune zvakanaka. Praise and worship.
Ndimi isewemba tona mata tonga mairi ndimi isewemba
Panenya ima project kuti ifambe pa church pan. Zvinomanga musikubatira. I don't know mukwaso Peter I say.
Of recent, I know a friend who is in South Africa and he's about to have some auditions. And I was thinking if in any way and if you know someone whom you think we can...
Someone. Sister Future. Maita basa naimba Madikombole. Sister, I want to go to Sister Future.
How are you, sister?
I'm fine.
Your singing really awakened my soul today, and I could hear the heavenly choir humming to your praises.
I would be moved if that actually happened. I sing normally, I think.
Trust me, I've been here. A singer like you is $1 million check out there, and a girl well-mannered like you is plus added bonus.
Really, sir?
Of course it is. Here, take this card. This is a favor from this guy in South Africa, and you'll never regret it. Don't worry. Take your time. Think about it.
What think, Mr. Vungu? What's going to say, Mama?
What's wrong? Help me spread this cabbage.
Sure, let me help you. Mama, I've got some exciting news. Something happened to Chase.
What is it? Wait.
You remember Mr. Fungo, that businessman?
Yes, I do.
You offered me an opportunity to start a music career in South Africa.
Oh!
Can you believe it? I'm so excited, Mama.
That's wonderful. God bless you.
Sure, amen. You know what? I'm going to tell Shami. Do you still need anything?
No, I'll call you when I need something. Go ahead.
Okay.
Future, I'm now leaving you in the capable hands of Trust. Trust.
Nice to meet you, Trust.
Trust? I want to hope and believe that everything is in place.
Yes, boss.
Future, I wish you a prosperous future. You know, a busy bee never sticks to one business.
Do you have your passport in order? I forgot to ask you that.
How can I forget that? You know, why don't you keep it for me in case I lose it in that big country?
Masluzile, we are here.
What is this place?
Hey, come on. Let's go.
Hey, babe. I see you brought me some sugar. Hey there.
Yellow.
This is the girl that Mr. Vungu was telling you about.
Oh, she's cute.
Yes, she's pegged and fresh, just as you wanted. Call the boss for his delivery.
Okay. Future, right? Can you please get into that room and make yourself look appealing, because we got no time to waste but money to make. Come, Trust.
She's all yours, ma. See you. Later, Sha, you get a call from Mr. Vungu. Be nice.
Trust!
Come.
Trust!
Come.
Come here, you little. Is this your first time? I'm good. Can you get off it? You pig! Are you alright?
Thank you, I was handling myself just fine. Look, I'm really sorry, say. Hello, hello, Mama San Baga.
Lama Sabakatana Eloi.
Hello, hello, Mama San.
You know what? You won't survive this place long enough whooping all the time. Here, try this. It will make you feel much better. You'll feel like flying. And you can forget your name even. Oh, tell me, is it something else?
This can't be the end of it, cutie. No. There's got to be some sort of redemption or something. I wish I could just close my eyes and wake up from this dream.
When you fall sick, maybe. Or maybe when you're older, smart.
No.
I might just let you go.
No!
But
Jamal, I can see you like that girl. Yes, you like it. You know what? I can see, but the way. Have you lost it?
She's different. She never lost it. She's different. Are you kidding? I know you think I'm late, bro, but we just don't see it. Do you?
I saw your face last night when I looked up the sky. You were smiling, told me that I'll be alright.
Hey, sweet little bird. I came to hear you sing.
Don't lose your mind over me too long. But come help me dream of a better place.
A better place? A better place that can help you. You know, this whole memory thing will be wiped out. I've been long waiting for a time like this to come. I will help you out. I promise. Afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
The client is waiting outside, and he told me that I should bring the girl over with me because he's not comfortable with the brothel environment.
It's fine.
I don't feel comfortable doing this.
Hey, come on.
I don't think it's a good idea.
Small. Where are they?
Who?
Jamal and Future. You must be joking, right?
Speak low, can we please?
Do you have any idea how difficult it is to bring them here, huh? Do you?
Can we please talk about
I
it?
don't take orders from you. I don't take orders from you.
Hello, Mama. It's me, Future. I just wanted to tell you that I'm okay, and you don't have to worry about me, and I'm coming home soon. I love you, Mom. Bye. Ndimi isewemba ino tona mata tongai mairi Ndimi isewemba ino tona mata tongai mairi Ndimi isewemba ino Ndimi baba isewemba ino tona mata tona mata tongai mairi Ndimi isewemba ino Ndimi baba